Well, as Texas continues to reel from those devastating floods, victims were honored on Saturday night at a candlelight vigil at the Liberty Bell in downtown Bakersfield. Flood Ministries hosted the vigil in solidarity with Texas as they navigate through this difficult tragedy. Gathering to share words, share prayer, but most importantly, share heartbreak. 17's Rob Hagan captured it all.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
The recent floods in Texas have caused unfathomable heartbreak. Innocent lives were lost, including young children who were defenseless in the face of disaster. Searches are still underway, and the families and communities directly affected are reeling from the devastation.
I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me, and like a flood, His mercy.
We come together in grief, in solidarity, in remembrance.
Amazing grace, amazing love, unending grace.
To all of you who are grieving, Bakersfield stands with you. Bakersfield feels your pain. Your pain is our pain.
Such a beautiful ceremony there.
Yeah, absolutely.